Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a little bit different from previous one because I'm gonna share with you where do I keep my nails and how I keep them. I use this regular drawing book to store them. So this is the first page and I got my channel name which is Nail Art Corner, and I draw like a rectangle which is 1 centimeter apart from the edge just to make it look more classy. And I put like my channel name all over, so it's got like Nail Art Corner over there, and I put the date when I started it, which is 28th of August 2020. Then I got my channel name, and on the corners I've got the channel name again, and then I got my real name which is Manpreet. And I use just a pencil to create it because you can clearly see a pencil on a black paper. This is the first page of my nail book, and the first thing that you see are these cat eye gel nail polish nails, and I've created them using the Yayogi gel polish, and I will leave the link in the description below so you can easily have access to them. The next set is available on Nail Express, and if you want to buy it, I will leave the link in the description below so you can check out the Instagram page to buy it. The next part contain all the nails that I made for my YouTube channel videos, and I will leave the link in I section so you can have look to the playlist so you can easily have access to all the videos. And they are all hand painted. Most of them might, some of them might use the water decals, but most of them are hand painted. Like the roses one, the pink one is also hand painted. My favorite one is definitely that one because it was the first time that I created a rose, freehand rose, and obviously that one because it was like a year back, that was our trend. The second page of my booklet contained the swatches of all the regular nail polishes that I own, and it hasn't got all of them on because there are some that I bought them recently. I didn't had time to swatch them and put them there. But I will put them soon there because I just need to complete this page. So that one is the last nail polish that I swatched, and I just need to complete this page as well. So as you can see, I got a plenty of pink and purple nail polish. I just love the color. I just wanna have all the shades of pink. I don't know why, but I just love that one. So yep. The next page mostly contain nail art made using spider gel or sweater nails, and they are most of them are made with using gel because that was the time when I started working out with gel because I really want to know how I started that one. So I got like the Kiko gel polish swatches, then I got some nail that I made for my YouTube videos, then I got gel polish nail which I made for how to use gel polish. Then the next section contained the nails that I never shared on YouTube because it was the time when I was trying to figure out how to use spider gel, and I was just trying to create some nail art for myself. After that, I got this the last row, and I shared the video for that, and it was like creating DIY sweater nails using flour, if I'm not wrong. So yep. The next page contained most of the nails that are made using gel polish. The first thing that you see is this personal nail set that I made for a collab that was hosted on Instagram. Then I got all these nails that I was just practicing again with the spider gel. Then I got this marble nails, which was an epic fail because I was just trying to create marble nails using the cling film, and I wasn't just able to create them, but I managed to create 3 of them. But I just thought that technique is not made for me. Then I got like few personal set, which was again for some collabs. Like I got these two for Christmas. Then I got this holographic rose set. It wasn't for a collab; it was for myself. But then I thought I'm gonna wear it at college, but then the lockdown, so I was never able to wear them. So these 3 nails are made using Kavi gel because I just got them, so I just want to see how does it work. And from this page, that set is my favorite one. I love the design because it was really neat and clean. I don't know how I did it, but it was really beautiful. The next page has got like the Valentine theme. The first set that you see is this beautiful New Year set, and then I've got this animal print set, and most of them are not on my YouTube channel, and because obviously some, I don't know if it happens with you, but if you start like doing nail art and you start recording, you're never gonna finish them. It really happens with me. I really struggle when I creating nail arts, and I have to record as well, so most of them I just did for my own self, just to relax myself. And like these are some made for a collaboration. That one was my favorite one with the rose one, and it was like a Valentine Day one. The nail art designs that are on the last row are available on my YouTube channel. So if you want to know how I created them, you can easily have a look to them. So from this page, the brown one is my favorite one, because it was my first time that I tried like the carving jar, and I was really able to make something really good without messing out with other work. So on the next page, I call this one matte page, because most of the nails that it contains are matte finish. And the first thing that I got are these neon powder gel polish nail. Then on the second row, I go like the swatches for your yogi dip powder. Then I go like the watercolors nail art. And the third row is shade on my YouTube channel. So most of from this page, only the first and the third row is on my YouTube channel. Then I got this marble nail set, and it is made without gel, so I haven't used yet gel to make the marble nails. Then on this row, from the yellow one till the purple one, they are not on my YouTube channel because I was just practicing with watercolors and some other techniques. And then I goes like few sets that are for collaboration. This black one is already on my Instagram page, so if you wanna have a look to, you can have. So it was made using like the spider gel and the stamping. Then I got this green and like yellow set. Then the last one I got this blue one. So if you want to have a look to any of them, you can easily buy them from Nail Express. I will leave the link in description box. So this is the last page that I'm gonna almost complete by this week, hopefully. So yeah, then so this is where I do store my nails. And I think it's the like the easiest and the cheapest way that you can use to store your nails, because some people cannot afford like the displaying books, which can be really expensive sometimes. For this one, you just need to have a drawing book and double-sided tape, and you're good to go. So this is the way that I used to store my nails. Like it's really handy and it's really easy. And some people ask me why I don't use my natural nail to create like the nail art for my YouTube channel. I don't use it because I have to do some nail art using gel, and it's really hard to remove it, and obviously I need to do a lot of typing work, so I can't keep my nails long, so I have to cut them down and have to keep them short. So thanks for watching my video, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.